if I told you that you probably already have a powerful online whiteboard tool on your computer right now and you don't even know it? If you use Zoom for your meetings, then you have access to a surprisingly great feature called Zoom Whiteboard. A lot of people think of Zoom as just a video meeting app, but they have built a full collaboration tool right inside of it. In this video, we are going to do a quick review of Zoom Whiteboard so you can stop having boring meetings and start collaborating. So what is Zoom Whiteboard? It is a digital whiteboard that is built directly into the Zoom platform. This means you can launch and share a whiteboard with your team instantly during any Zoom meeting without needing to open a separate application or share a different link. Its main purpose is to make it easy for you to brainstorm, plan, and work on ideas visually with your team while you are all talking to each other face to face. Its biggest advantage is its convenience. Because it is already part of Zoom, you do not need a separate account or a separate subscription to get started. It removes all the friction of trying to use a third-party whiteboard tool during a live call. Zoom Whiteboard has all the essential tools you would expect from a platform like this. You can create digital sticky notes, draw with a pen tool, type text directly on the canvas, and add shapes and lines to create simple flowcharts or diagrams. It works just like you would hope a digital whiteboard would work. It also comes with a great library of pre-made templates for things like team icebreakers, project planning sessions, and different kinds of brainstorming activities. These templates make it very easy to get started quickly with a proven structure for your meeting. And of course, your whole team can work together on the board at the same time in real time. Zoom Whiteboard pricing. Now let's talk about the price because this is the best part. The Whiteboard basic plan is included for free for all Zoom users, even if you are on the free plan of Zoom. This is an amazing offer. It lets you create and use up to 3 whiteboards at the same time. For most people and for most meetings, this is more than enough to get started and be productive. If you find that you are a heavy user and you need more boards or more advanced features, Zoom offers paid add-ons called the Whiteboard Plan and the Whiteboard Plus plan for their paid subscribers. These give you unlimited boards and other advanced features. But the most important thing to know is that every single Zoom user already has a powerful whiteboard ready to use for free. So what is my final review? If you already use Zoom for your team meetings, then Zoom Whiteboard is an incredible and convenient tool that you should absolutely be using. It makes your meetings more collaborative and more productive, and the fact that a great version is already included for free makes it a total no-brainer to try. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.